Can you put those on the refrigerator for Mama, please? Xavier, can you put that on the refrigerator? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hey, come in the kitchen. I'm gonna get you. I see you. Can you put those on the refrigerator? Can you put that magnet on the refrigerator for Mama, please? Go ahead. Come here. Come here. Help Mama. Help me. Put this on the refrigerator for me. It's upside down. There you go. Can you put this one on there too? Can you put this one on there too? How about this one? Thank you. How about this one? What about that one? Oops, poops. Try again. Okay, let's go, Max. How about that one? Max, yeah. Can you put that one there, the red one? Thank you. You are such a good helper. How about that one right there? Oops. Can you put it on the refrigerator? There you go. Good boy. Thank you. Don't throw it on the floor, please. Magnus. Magnus. Don't throw that on the floor. What is that? Hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi, Mama? Say hi, Mama.